Let's take a look. What is this new Trivisa model we got here? We're looking at the Butterfly CG. This one is 14C 28N steel on the blade, carbon fiber G10 handle. That sounds promising. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Bada bing, bada boom. Better materials and craftsmanship. All right. We got the Batwing, we got the Lacerda, both of which we have checked out here in the channel before. Absolutely amazing knives. Wiping cloth, paperwork, and here is the knife, ladies and gentlemen. Plastic wrap. It's actually like a little Ziploc, a little plastic wrap here. And bam, there is the knife. So I got excited there for a second. I read carbon fiber on the box. I kind of missed the G10 part. It's G10 that looks very similar to like weave carbon fiber. All intents. Trivisa does a good job with that. As you can see, it actually looks pretty good. It's got this very fine, very hard to see almost, micro milling going on across for extra grip. So that looks good too. Crossbar lock, captive pivot. We got the orange matching blade here with the hardware all around. Matching color pocket clip. That is steel, deep carry, reversible on the other side. Red accented aluminum backspacer matching the thumb studs. And if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and send it here. Well, bam. All right, let's take a look at the blade here. All right, that is a nice looking blade. Let me tell you what. 14C 28N, everyone's favorite budget steel these days with the flat grind. Nice little clip point blade there with a beautiful switch at the top. Good amount of jimping on the spine. We got recessed liners. Also color match as well, believe it or not. Milled on the inside for weight reduction there, as you can see. And as far as the action goes, oh yeah, we are solid here. Bench-made killer style here. Thumb stud deployment, spidey flick on point. And of course deploying with the crossbar lock itself. It is going to be on ball bearings, as you can imagine. So very nice, good solid action there. I'm able to get a full purchase, full 4-finger grip with my average size hands. And you have a little flat area here. If you want to forward choke, you can do so, but it is not a dedicated finger choil per se, so just be aware of what it is that you're doing. I mean, profile wise, it's actually a pretty elegant looking knife. I'm going to set it down for a second. Some of you guys tell me I flip the knife around too much, and some of you guys like to take a closer look. We do have a lanyard hole back here for my lanyard people. The pocket clip screws are actually nice and inset, which is nice. Check that out. Yeah, and it's actually very comfortable. I do feel the pocket clip a tad bit. I'm going to go 8.5 out of 10, and that is if I'm squeezing really hard. Reverse grip, that feels solid. Friday night gas station fighting grip, that's good. Cold grip, probably not the most comfortable, but you can still make it work if anything. And of course, a very ambidextrous friendly knife, very lefty friendly, it being a crossbar lock and all. All right, check it out here. Oh yeah. Lefties rejoice. I mean, it is 2026, right? It's very easy to put a filler tab. They do that very tastefully here with matching hardware and filler tab and everything. The whole shebang. Let's get a quick rapid fire read here. We have under 7 inches, so it's a little bit smaller than a Civivi Elementum Corsair Leak, around 6.75. 3 inches on the blade, around 3 inches or so, maybe a little under on the cutting path, and then around 3.75 on the handle. So definitely good blade to handle ratio, I'll tell you what. And weight wise, we should be pretty good. I mean, this should be, again, a Benchmade bug out competitor here through and through, even in the lightweight department, even without the FRN scales. Actual G10 scale with full liners, all mill on the inside. I'm going to go 2.5 to 3 ounces. Look at that, 2.6, 73 grams. That's pretty good for EDC, for a sort of smallish, medium size knife, if anything. That is the Butterfly from Trivisa Knives. Let me know your thoughts on this one. There are multiple variants available, all kinds of different color handles and other variants as well, if this one is not your cup of tea. A lot of people do go for the black and sort of bronze looking aesthetics. That is a very tried and true color choice or color wave. Again, link down below.